All right, Loik, ready? Esteban, ready? Fight's on.
Oh, the connection by Raджабов.
Big shot early.
Yeah, his knee.
And into a takedown.
Pretty good uppercut there from Raджабov and a counter from Ribovics.
Oh! That right hand.
Yeah, it's that looping right hand. It's very nice.
But he's off to a pretty good start on the feet.
And if he can just stab away the right hand, he might find himself being much more successful. Right now, Raджабov has looked really good. It's always interesting when you got guys that fight. Oh, nice. Way to extend that combination. You heard it. He did exactly what his corner asked him to do. They said more boxing, use your hands, you're faster, you're not tired, it's in the mind. He went right through that. Beautiful job by Raджabov.
Ribovics able to raise the guard there. Switches stances a whole lot.
Yeah. The difference in power is very evident. That's what I... Oh! Those body shots! Those body shots, you can hear his corner saying something about body shots. Hey, I don't speak the language, but I can understand body. He went to the body, and that really did set up those shots up top.
Ribovics just dug in there. That was the first time we saw him fully committing to power shots. Oh, good combination again.
And Raджabov looks tired now, though.
Oh, look at that.
Ribovics getting right after it with the striking.
Oh! He took another one of those right hands.
Oh!
Raджabov now with the knee to the body.
When he lands, he hurts him bad.
Oh, again.
Good left hand connection by
Raджabov. This time, he still doesn't have any control with the legs, but he's so good at it that he rolls the way his body. Oh, he's taking the back.
Raджabov has just got to stay real solid.
both guys land big shots inside there. Big left hand.
Oh, he hurt him. Ribovics hurt him.
Oh, and he moves his head back inside. Yeah, but that mistake, right? He should have got off the position.
Raджabov is tired.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at Ribovics.
Esteban Ribovics.
By unanimous decision, Loik Jaguar